Yo, what's up everyone? I'm Jackie YBT, Tech the way tech everything. Welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if you're new here. Thanks for subscribing. And today's video is kind of spontaneous. I didn't think of doing this video at all. It wasn't planned because I was going out with my family, and you know what? I saw that phone, Apple iPhone 16e, and then I thought to myself, why not I just shoot it? It was a bit noisy. I didn't bring my wireless microphone because it wasn't planned at all. So I'm sorry for the audio quality if it's bad. Just a quick look on the Apple iPhone 16e. Hope you guys will enjoy it. Now back to the video. Look at that, like this iPhone 16e, there's no MagSafe, right? So they just make it light down here. It's actually not attached to the MagSafe. Yeah, they rather put it like this rather than just use the USB-C and charge it. Alright. Okay. It only has one single camera, 48 megapixel, but they call it the 48 megapixel fusion camera, where one camera can do 2x zoom, so that's why they call it a 2-in-1. It's just marketing. Basically, they crop it to make it like a telephoto lens. Yeah. I would rather have ultra wide camera, but the 16e is the cheapest iPhone. They're not gonna give you two camera lens. Okay. Yeah, very clean. I really like the back of the phone. It looks like an iPhone 4 in a modern setting. Yeah, very clean. There's only one camera and nothing else. And the back is actually matte finish. It's glass, but there's a coating there. It's a matte. I really like the design. You don't get the dynamic island. Instead, you get the old iPhone notch. It already looks outdated with the old notch. Yeah. And you also get the action button. They replace the silent button, but you don't get the camera button. Yeah. And if you ask me how I feel about this phone, what do I think about this phone, you can watch my previous video. Right now I'll just give you my first impressions here. There's only two colors, white and black. I'm going to show you guys the black one. Alright, so this is the black iPhone 16e. Very stealthy. Yep. Very cool, very nice. Take a look at it. And it's running the A18 processor, but with one GPU core lesser than the iPhone 16. Average people, they're not going to care about that. The performance is still good. You still get the Apple Intelligence and so on. Yeah. So as for the price, is $2,999, which is $599 USD for the base model, the 128 gigabyte of capacity. All right. So that's the price. What do you guys think about the iPhone 16e? Let me know in the comment, and it's just a short impression. Alright, that's all for the video. Thanks for watching. Remember to click the thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell icon so that you will receive a notification. Comment down in the comment section below and share this video to your friends and family. And I will see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.